Climb inside the 2013 Chevrolet Impala. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.